Hello, lovely business owners. I hope you are all well and went through the other side of the pandemic strongly and doing really, really well upward and onwards from here, especially the Victorian businesses. What I wanted to talk about today is obviously the JobMaker, which is a positive initiative from the government to provide credits to the business owners or employers in terms of giving them some credit to employ more people, which is amazing, which will help rebuild the Australian economy back. So the key facts on JobMaker is, so from 7th of October, eligible employers will be able to claim $200 a week for each additional employee if the age of the employee is between 16 and 29. This age is as of the hire date, and $100 a week for each additional eligible employee aged between 30 and 35. New jobs created until 6th October 2021 will attract JobMaker hiring credits for up to 12 months from the date new position is created. To be eligible for JobMaker, you don't have to have any, fall and turnover test or anything like that. All you need is to make sure that you have an ABN, your tax lodgements are up to date, you're registered for PAYG withholding already, and you have been reporting through single touch payroll. And then that's it. Then you basically apply for it and you get those credits from the government. So enjoy and enjoy employing people. Thank you.